In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. Whether you're using classic Outlook or the new Outlook, you can quickly adjust how your inbox looks so it fits the way you work. If you're in classic Outlook, start on the ribbon and open the View tab. Click Change View in the current view group, then choose the layout that suits you. Compact is the default and shows minimal details with the reading pane, which is helpful if you like previewing messages as you browse. Single shows one-line messages for a clean, scannable list. Preview displays a list without the reading pane, which can make the message list feel more spacious. Your layout updates instantly, so you can see the difference right away. Next, customize the columns to surface the details you care about most. On the View tab, select View Settings and then Columns. In some layouts, you may see Add Columns in the Arrangement group. From there, add fields like categories or size from available columns, remove ones you don't need, and reorder them. You can also drag column headers directly in the message list to rearrange them. Click OK to apply your changes so the most important information appears first. Fine-tune how much you see without opening an email by setting preview lines. On the View tab, choose Message Preview and select off 1, 2, or 3 lines. When prompted, decide whether to apply this to the current folder or all folders. In the Layout group, adjust the reading pane to the right, at the bottom, or turn it off if you want a more compact list. You can also toggle tighter spacing for a denser view, and drag column borders to resize them for the best use of your screen. Once you've dialed in a layout you love, save it for reuse. Go to View, select Change View, and choose Save Current View as a new view. Give it a clear name and set where it's visible, either for just this folder or across all folders. If you ever want to start fresh, use Reset View to go back to the default, and use Apply Current View to other mail folders to quickly reuse your setup elsewhere. If you're using the new Outlook, click the Settings gear in the top right corner. Go to Mail, then Layout. Here you can turn Focused Inbox on or off to automatically sort messages into Focused and Other. Choose whether to group messages by conversation or show each email individually. Finally, set the reading pane on the right, at the bottom, or hide it to match your preference. That's it. Thanks for watching.